Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope everyone is okay. So our today's session is about low code and pro code. So we have the below outlines and in our presentation which shows the transformative power of hybrid development. So basically it involves the defining of hybrid solution strategic imperative score advantages, its key applications and its roadmap and tools and its future and beyond. So next is deconstructing the hybrid development. So what is this deconstructing the hybrid development? Deconstructing involves a critical analysis of a system or models that combine two or more distinct elements to understand their interactions, behaviors, benefits, and challenges. So in our scenario, we have low code and the pro code as distinct elements to make a hybrid solution. And if we understand what is the low code and the pro code and what are their pros and cons and when should we use them, and then only we can easily adopt the hybrid solution. So now what is the low code? So low code is the software development is a software development approach that enables developers to create a complete application with minimal coding. So it involves like creating an application using the interfaces and integration data and logic much faster than the traditional development. And if we look into to the pro code, so what are these pro codes? So the pro code is the like the opposite of the low code. So pro code is the development of the software application using the conventional programming languages and tools. It involves writing the detailed, complex code and code written by the professional developers. As you can see, uh, as you can see through this diagram, you will understand that what is the low code and the pro code. So basically, low code is the drag and drop of the elements using the tools, and the pro code is like the like coding, typing the coding by the developers. So the hybrid paradigm, why it is matter. So what is the why the hybrid solution is important? So as we know that time is flying, and with that we have so much advancement in science and technology, and we also have advancement in our problems. So we can say that modern business demands agility. The hybrid approach directly addresses the critical challenges that are faced by the enterprise application development today. So a business can overcome its challenges by fulfilling these objectives, which are listed here, and which are first one is speed versus complexity. In this, we bridge the gap between the rapid development delivery and integrate the business requirements. It means that we have to uh, make the delivery faster without compromising the quality of our of the business logic. And the second is the skill gap, maximizing the limited developer resources by streamlining routine tasks. And third one is the flexibility demands. It includes balancing that standardized solutions with unique and tailor-made customization. We have like our resources must be able to make any type of customization in the code, so we can deliver any type of the demand by any uh, problem. The last one is the maintenance burden, which is ensuring long-term sustainability and evolving of the application. So the strategic balance should be also considerable, because every problem has its own strategy, or every business has its own strategy, and every strategy has its own balance. But typically, a hybrid strategy allocates 80% of the low code for standard features, dedicating 20% pro code for highly custom complex functionality. So now here we know what are the benefits of the this hybrid development. So first one is the accelerated development. By using the hybrid hybrid development, we achieve faster delivery in our projects, and The second one is the cost efficient, as because it significantly reduced development time and maintenance cost, optimizing resources allocation. Third one is the flexibility and control. So when most of an application is built with a low code platform and the pro code is used for customization and extensions, updates and maintenance are easier. Low code was designed to make it easy, make it change, and the maintain applications. And the last one is the enhanced collaboration. So enhanced collaboration in these organizations can optimize their development resources by using low code for certain aspects of their project and a pro code for others. This cost-effective approach allows experienced developers to focus on the most complex areas where their expertise is most needed, while junior or even citizen developers contribute to less critical aspects. With low-code platforms developers can build and test application faster, and pro code developers can focus on more complex aspects of the application. This can lead to a more efficient use of the resources that also streamlines the development. And next, here I have listed on some examples in which we can use the hybrid solution, and these include CRM systems, workflow automation, and the data management apps, and customer portals. So from these examples, we can conclude that hybrid solution is best or ideal for those solutions in which we need more UI and less the business logic, complex business logic. So it is not ideal for high performance gaming, system level programming, or highly complex algorithm trading applications benefit less from this approach. So this means that the hybrid solution is most ideal for the problems that includes most of the UI and the less complex of the business logic. So next here how we can implement the hybrid solution, and what are the leading platforms. So a successful hybrid adoption requires a structured strategic and the right tools. So from which aspects we can know that we should adopt the hybrid solution, and here are the key elements. From these we can know that we should adopt a hybrid solution. Here are the phases. First one is the assessment, which is the analyze business requirements to identify standard versus custom features. Mean first we have to identify from our business requirement that what are the common features and what are the custom features that we need to customarily design. And phase two is the development approach. We have to, and from these requirements, we have to define where low code, it means UI, form, basic flows, and where the pro codes algorithms will be applied. And here I have listed down some of the platforms through which we can adopt the hybrid solution, and according to their requirements. Like Microsoft Power Platform, it leverages the Power Apps, Power Automate, and it integrates seamlessly with Azure functions. So the other example is OutSystems, Mendix, and the Salesforce Lightning. All of these platforms provide hybrid solution according to their needs. Here we know that how the hybrid solution impact in our real world. So here I have listed some common example. Like if we say that a major bank needed a new customer onboarding platform in just 3 months, but the hybrid solution delivered far beyond expectation. As we know that this is on just an onboarding platform, so we should choose the hybrid solution, and our balance strategy in this will be we send 70% of our force to the low code components, and 30% our force to the pro code components. So by using this strategy, we can deliver the application in 8 weeks maximum, which is the faster, 50% faster than the target and 40% under the budget. So in this scenario, what will be the structure of our team, hybrid team, that will follow this hybrid solution? So it includes the business analysis, which define the requirements and the user flows, obviously, and the other persons will be the low code developers, DevOps engineers, and the pro code developers. So low code will assemble our UI and logic rapidly, and the pro code developers will extend our functionality and integration and create custom customization where needed. And the DevOps engineers will automate delivery and ensure reliability. So this dynamic structure empowers citizen developers for rapid iteration. So what are citizen developers? So basically, citizen developers are those or which are outside of the IT department who uses no code or low code platforms or other IT sections tools to create applications. So they don't have much knowledge about the coding. They just know about the drag and drop tools and create the application using them. As we look forward, what's next? It's clear that the future of the development isn't about writing more code. It's about writing smarter, building faster, and empowering more people to create meaningful solution. So according to the, so let's explore why hybrid development is headed, where hybrid development is headed, and how we can start negotiating, so navigating this new horizon. So according to the survey, in the 24-25, now more AI is being used while creating the applications, building the web mobile, and integrating the APIs. Here I have listed on the chart that how should we get start to create our application using the hybrid solution. So in hybrid solution, low code isn't replacing pro code. It's empowering more people to build solutions while allowing developers to focus on what matters most. So this is the overall scenario about the hybrid solution, and hope you guys get my point. And I, before concluding this, I have one question for you. So I want to know that you should go and dig into the what is the vibe coding, how we can use it, and how we can utilize in this hybrid development or not. So this is all from me, Furqan. And if you have any question or query, just let me know.
Yes, brother, I have a question.
Yes, shoot it.
Okay, when it comes to the hybrid model, so are there any consequences like upon the quality of the product? Let's say it's a banking app. You said that it was developed in 3 months. We are also working on T plus, and like it's been almost 2 years and still it's going on. So, what do you suggest in this case? Should the Hassan also follow this strategy?
This strategy is most useful regarding the UI-based scenario. But when it comes to the backend, then I believe that this is not a good strategy because it only concerns about the most UI and how it will be integrated with the backend.
Okay, you mean when it comes to the UI components and uh, non-technical components, then we can use this method, and for the technical things, then we need the real engineers like that can.
Yes,
Okay, thank you, man.
thank you. So if no one other than Ali has no any question, then I think we can conclude this today's session. Thank you, everyone.